Amsterdam, the sparkling capital of the Netherlands, is one of Europe's top tourist attractions. Its many museums, theatres, and entertainment venues make it a vibrant cultural hub. In this video, we dive into Amsterdam's top 10 attractions and activities. The top 3 should definitely be on your bucket list when visiting the city. Make sure you watch till the end to discover the top 3. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel for more travel content and hit the notification button to stay tuned to our latest upload. So let's get started. We start our countdown at number 10 with Madame Tussauds. This is a famous wax museum that can be found in several major cities, including Amsterdam. This museum features lifelike figures of celebrities and historical icons. It offers an interactive experience for visitors to get close to their favorite personalities. We continue to number 9, where you can immerse yourself in Rembrandt's artistry and life at the Rembrandt House. This historic house, where Rembrandt lived for 2 decades, has been transformed into a museum. It offers insights into his creative process and his daily life. At number 8 is the picturesque Western Church near the Anne Frank Museum. It is known for its beautiful Gothic and Renaissance architecture. Also make sure to visit the 85-meter-high church tower, decorated with a replica of the Emperor's crown as a tribute to Emperor Maximilian of Austria. Number 7 leads us to the majestic Royal Palace of Amsterdam, originally the town hall, showcasing classical exteriors and opulent interiors, adorned with intricate reliefs, marble sculptures, and ceiling paintings. At number 6, the lively atmosphere of Dam Square, flanked by historical landmarks, vibrant eateries and shops, offering a glimpse into Amsterdam's rich heritage. For family fun and natural beauty, number 5 recommends a visit to the Vondelpark, a park brimming with green spaces, ideal for a nice picnic. You'll also find sculptures, playgrounds, and an open-air theatre for cultural performances. Number 4 invites you to explore the charming Jordan neighborhood, famous for its canals, the Anne Frank House, and the bustling markets offering local crafts and delicacies. Number 3 presents the iconic Van Gogh Museum, a paradise for art enthusiasts showcasing the life and works of Vincent van Gogh and his contemporaries. At number 2, you can delve into history at the Anne Frank House, preserving the legacy of Anne Frank and her family during the Second World War, providing a sobering reminder of the past. Finally, at number 1, you can experience the artistic treasures at the Rijksmuseum, housing a vast collection of paintings, cultural artifacts, and thematic exhibitions, offering a comprehensive journey through Dutch art and history. These top 10 attractions reflect Amsterdam's rich cultural, historical, and natural charms, making it a must-visit destination for travelers looking for enriching experiences. You can explore Amsterdam by foot or by bike. Another fun way to see the city is on a boat tour. There are numerous options, from covered boats with large groups of people to open boats and private tours. You pay a little bit more for a boat tour with a smaller group or for a private tour, but if you don't want to be in a boat with a bunch of strangers, it can be worth the extra price. If you enjoyed this guide, share your thoughts in the comments below and stay tuned for more travel content. Thanks for watching.